Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two exciting products in the spotlight: the Tikduck flying orb ball and the CuteAnt drones. Join us as we dive into the features and capabilities of these products to determine which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The Tikduck flying orb ball is priced at $45, while the CuteAnt drones come in at $59. Both of these products offer unique features, but if you're on a budget, the flying orb ball might be the more affordable option for you. Now let's explore the features of these two products. The Tikduck flying orb ball boasts a super cool high-tech hand-controlled design, featuring a gyroscope and smart AI chip for intelligent flight. It's designed to improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones come with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to capture amazing views. It also offers features like one-touch takeoff landing, altitude hold mode, and multiple fun features, such as 360 degrees flips and circle flight. When it comes to durability, the flying orb ball is made of high-grade ABS material, making it lightweight and flexible. Its enclosed propellers ensure safety, especially for children. The CuteAnt drones, on the other hand, come with 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades to ensure safe flight. Additionally, the CuteAnt drones provide a longer flight time of up to 30 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries, while the flying orb ball offers a flight time of 8 to 10 minutes. Let's talk about ease of use and additional functions. The flying orb ball is designed for indoor and outdoor use, with a smooth flight pattern and boomerang effect. It's a great backyard activity and can even be used to teach about physics and aerodynamics. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones feature headless mode, gesture control, and other functions that cater to beginners and kids who want to experience the fun of drones. It also includes a carrying case for easy portability. Based on online reviews, customers have praised both the Tikduck flying orb ball and the CuteAnt drones for their unique features and capabilities. The flying orb ball is highly regarded for its affordability, interactive design, and safety features. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones are praised for their versatile features, high-quality camera, and durability. Overall, customers have had positive experiences with both products. After carefully comparing the Tikduck flying orb ball and the CuteAnt drones, it's clear that both products have their unique strengths. The flying orb ball offers a more budget-friendly option, while the CuteAnt drones provide a higher resolution camera and longer flight time. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. That's all for today's video on Buy Smart. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you would choose and why. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and comparisons. Remember, always buy smart.